Hey guys, Chris here with Epic. I want to talk to you about our XXX mid controls for the Milwaukee 8 and twin cam touring bikes. Complete bolt-on setup. It comes in our Black X finish or raw machined. Raw machined allows you to either run it machined obviously or put a custom coating on it if you want to. They come completely built. All stainless steel hardware, aircraft aluminum, real killer setup. What I've done here is I'm kind of breaking down the kit so you have an understanding of what goes into our kit and the ability for adjustment. This is the brake side hub assembly bracket for mounting it. These two holes here allow you to mount it to the transmission door, so you remove the two right side inner transmission door factory bolts. Using the supplied hardware, go ahead and install it. On the back side, we machined in the fluid reservoir. Real simple setup. It already comes put together. It's got an O-ring seal in it. This nice little cover, of course, is bolted in place. This is the fill. There's a little vent there for the setup. Brembo master cylinder comes with it, installed. This is the shaft that the brake side hub assembly rides on. The clevis mount has got it pinned there, so it's locked in place where it needs to be. Of course, you could take it out and put it anywhere you want at that point, but it's set up the right way when you get it. This is the hub assembly for the brake arm. It's bolted together, obviously, but the way we've done it is the hub itself has multiple hole locations, and then you remove these 6 bolts and you can move the arm and adjust it where you might like it better. Also with the arm that goes down to the master cylinder, it allows you to move it as well. So you have all the adjustment in here to clock this where you want it. This is the stop, so you can prevent it from having too much throw. It has 4 different locations for that. This is what it looks like all put together. The pegs fold, and the arm, as you can see, and the toe peg are just a little bit higher than the footrest. This is the way I like to ride. And just with a little bit of pressure, that's full engagement there. So it doesn't take a lot to have brakes with this setup. Comes with your line. Again, Brembo master cylinder, complete setup. Real killer piece. Bolts on in just a matter of minutes. This is the shift side. Comes assembled like you see here. This mounts to your outer primary. Remove the stock center 4 primary bolts using the supplied spacers and hardware we give you. Install it. We include the shift linkage and hardware. Go ahead and hook that up to the arm on the transmission and to our spacer, and you're good to go. It's that easy. When you remove the stock shifter arm from your bike, you're going to end up with a hole in your primary. We make a plug. Does not come with it. It's sold separately, but we make this plug that goes in the twin cam or the Milwaukee 8. They're 2 different ones, but we have them. So if you want to buy that, you can buy that as well. Again, Black X or raw machine finish. We know that it works with Trask Assault Series exhaust. They're 2-in-1 exhaust. Fab 28 and Two Brothers Racing, all those 2-in-1 exhausts is a direct bolt-on setup. And then Trask Turbo Systems, the short dump, we know it works with that. And I'm sure there's plenty of others that it works with, we just don't know yet. So we need your feedback on that. You can buy them directly from us at epicmotoco.com or find them at your local Tucker dealer. Most V-Twin shops or Tucker dealers. So go hit them up, help them make some money. Thanks for checking out the video.